Very, I mean, first of all, talagang walang kwenta yung kaso, mapag-invento. I'm happy that there's still justice in the Philippines. And, you know, my mom's name was cleared. For us, that's the most important thing because she loves her children so much at kaya siya minsan napapaaway sa kakadepensa sa amin. It's just really weird at halatang puro kasinungalingan ang mga binintang sa kanya. So, tuwang-tuwa po ako na binasura ng korte ang kasong child abuse laban sa nanay ko.
So, si mommy mo, ano sabi? Ano yung feeling niya kanina?
Well, para sa akin, you know, she was just calm. Sabi niya talaga na walang kwenta at puro invento lang naman kasi ang kasong to. So, for me, it's a vindication. My mom basically had to fight for her honor, fight for what she believed in, at nagsabi lang siya ng totoo. And tungkol naman sa mga libel cases against her, that's actually just a reaction of the child abuse case against her. Hindi naman niya sasabihin ang lahat ng mga nasabi niya because, you know, wala naman talagang kaso. And, you know, a person can only take so much. And bilang isang nanay, bilang isang anak, you know, ang nanay ko nasasaktan din. So kung may mga nasabi siyang masasakit, eh, pawang katotohanan lamang yon at galing sa puso niya para i-defend yung sarili niya at yung honor niya.
Tingin mo mapapatawad ka sila?
I don't know.
Since natapos kay Nadia, kay Amaya naman, ano yung totoong feelings mo sa nangyari ito? Na parang, sabi nga, tagore, hindi na sila mga bata para mag-away.
Well, I think I already answered that earlier, so I don't wanna...
mo sa mga paniniwala. Ano masasabi mo?
Ako naman, I answered that already earlier, but basically I just want to say na I wish everyone well. And at the end of the day, sana naman lahat talaga magkakaayos-ayos na. Kasi ang problema, ang mommy ko naman ang ginugulo. Hindi naman ang mommy ko nagsistart ng gulo. So for her, she's just defending herself. She's defending her name, of course. I mean, she has children. She's a talent manager as well. And it's very clear now with Nadia's false allegations, my mom is the children's manager, but Nadia is still the mother who has control of her own children.
Tina Amaya is requesting Tito Eddie na sana pwede pakiusapan yung mami mo na medyo maging maingat naman.
Well, yeah. I hope my mom's learned her lesson. Next time, makinig siya sa amin dalawa ni Raymond at sa asawa niya na si Eddie Gutierrez na gwapong-gwapo na wag nang tumanggap ng mga ibang talents na without our approval. So, I hope this will serve as a lesson for her. I want to thank her lawyers na ako rin actually nagbigay kay mommy kasi sila din ang tumulong sa aking annulment. Si Attorney Howard Calleja at saka si Attorney Connie Jimenez. Thank you for accepting the case and for defending my mom. And I'm very happy that the case is now dismissed. I hope we can all move on kasi talagang walang kakwenta-kwenta issue. And you can see naman in a person's life, ako, I never wish ill and bad of anyone. And that's probably why whatever happens in my life, although I'm not perfect, good things always come my way. And I think that holds true with our family. So hopefully with this, tapos na ang mga issue.
Any message for Nadia? Any chance na magiging friends mo?
No, I don't think we could ever be friends again. I choose my friends and I want to be surrounded by people who are positive, people that will uplift me, people that will make me move forward. You know, I want to be surrounded by good friends. So being magkaibigan, definitely not. But I don't wish her any harm. I don't wish her any bad things. I wish her the best for her, especially for her children who have shown nothing but the best of respect for me. And hopefully matapos to, and I just wish them well.
Kamusta pa after syempre being single with a friend? Ano yung life mo when you go out of it?
No, actually, right now I'm on a love sabbatical. Ayoko love sabbatical meaning dating detox. Ayoko muna yun yung usapan. I mean, for me, napakarami pang dapat gawin. I should focus my attention on my children, and they are my priority. So right now, pahinga muna. It's such a great feeling and it's so refreshing being single. Wala kang ibang iniisip, wala nagbibigay sa'yo ng stress. And I'm happier being alone.
You see yourself getting married pa rin?
Yeah, maybe not now. Siguro in the far, far future. And siguro, I just pray that God will give me a lifetime partner. In His own perfect time.
Kasi nabanggit mo sa paparazzi mo Sabado na si Wilma yung interview.
Talaga?
Yes, ako for me, my dream interview would be Ilma's kasi napakarami namin siguro dapat pag-usapan for the last 4 or 5 years na hindi kami nag-usap, hindi kami nagkita. So gusto ko siyang kumustahin kung ano nangyayari sa buhay niya, ano mga plano niya sa buhay niya, ano nangyari sa love story namin. Ganun. So I think it would be interesting for me to interview her.
Are you civil? Are you friends? Ano ba yung status?
Well, we go through many seasons and I think right now, okay kami. He Skyped with the children about a week ago and nakita ko naman masaya yung mga bata. So for me, as long as the kids are happy, then I'm happy also. And I make sure that nandiyan yung respeto pa rin nila kay Ilmas kasi si Ilmas pa rin yung natin nila.
Kikita pa sila very soon.
No, I mean, wala namang pinag-usapan gano'n. Ilmas is free to visit